Hello, I am going to try an indoor growing project. First I'm going to plant some radishes, some cherry bells, with my grow light I bought from Home Depot. And we are going to see if we can get some radishes to grow indoors. I haven't tried to grow vegetables indoors before, so we're going to try it and see. We're going to try something simple, like I said, with radishes. And if those work out, then I'll experiment with some a little bit tougher veggies, but we'll go ahead and get some seeds soaking. You don't have to soak radish seeds, but I'm going to soak them for about 12 hours before I plant them. And here's another look at that light. That is on the white spectrum right there. I'm going to have these baskets to set my containers on them. I'm going to put my plant or seeds in them. I'm going to put them in that one and another container I got, and I'll put them up here and I will start them. I'll drop that light a little closer to the seedlings because they need to be about 6 inches above for the first 2 weeks after they sprout, before you raise it to about that high right there, about 16 inches or so. So we are going to go ahead, once I plant them, I'll do the white and blue light spectrum. Won't turn on the red, just the white and blue for growth. So we'll see how that experiment works. Alright, here's our grow light. We've planted our radishes in the first bin. In the second bin we planted lettuce. And the kind we planted some, if you can read that, some organic fairy morse cherry bell radish seed. And the lettuce is some Burpees gourmet blend, and it has multiple kinds of salad in there, or lettuce, and that back one is the lettuce, and this front one is the radish. Alright, this was the second day, and we got some life coming up right there. The lettuce is starting to grow. And I noticed those last night, so 48 hours after I planted them. So soaking actually works really good. And here's the third day. This is my bucket with my radishes, and the radishes are starting to come up. Awesome. So this is 3 days in planting after soaking. We are at 5 days. This is my radishes now. And the lettuce is still pretty small. And if you look at them, that's my wash machine in the background. But if you look at them, they don't look like they're getting too stringly. They got to about this height, and now they stopped growing up with this light, and now they're starting their other leaves are going to start spreading out. So cool. We're at 2 weeks, and here is my radish project, and the lettuce are growing. I've moved the grow light up a little bit. It's about a foot above the plants. This is 2.5 weeks. This is the radishes. And the lettuce back there. Here's the radishes right now. We are at 3 weeks. And back there's the lettuce. And now, if you look inside there, you'll see it starting to create the radish bulbs. We are at 3.5 weeks. The lettuce is doing good. And the radishes are doing pretty darn good. We got radishes coming on in there. You see that one right there. I'll harvest those in another day or two, a couple of them anyway. Alright, look at these radishes. Growing. We're going to go ahead and harvest one. They're a little small yet, but it'll give the others room to grow. Shake off the dirt off the bottom. Alright, there we go. Got a nice little radish there. Alright, we'll go ahead and wash that thing up and eat it. And there is more of them growing in there. We'll just pluck them out as they get ready, so good room for the others. Lettuce is growing big back there. So it does work to grow vegetables in your house. Look at that lettuce. You can already start harvesting some of those leaves.